What's going on, guys? So Colston doesn't know we are about to fly to Oman. He thinks we're getting ready to go on a quick day trip. We're going to go to Abu Dhabi. Then we'll be back tomorrow. So I told him to pack his bag and make sure he brings his passport. But I'm literally packed, ready. He's about to come down. We're going to let him know. Okay, here he comes. Here he comes.
Okay, welcome back. I'm trying to show you the skyline of Dubai here, and what you can take a notice of is the Burj Khalifa. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Okay, here we are. And basically Dylan told me to film. So Dylan, why are we filming?
Because I tricked you once again.
But that's not true, is it?
We're not actually going to Abu Dhabi. And I hope that you packed more than just one night's worth of clothes, because we're
Dylan, I didn't pack anything.
Well, sucks to suck. That's all I can say.
You told me we're going on a day trip to Abu Dhabi, and it's like an hour and a half.
Easy. We are going on a day trip. However, we're going to stay an extra few nights, and we're going out of the country. So, do you have your passport at least?
Dylan, only a dummy doesn't carry his passport at all times.
So, at least you have your passport. So, we're going to be going to Oman. We're going to go sit in a nice business lounge, wait for a few hours, drink some coffee, do all that cool stuff. But we're not actually going to Abu Dhabi. I know you're sad now. You've been looking forward to seeing it, so you haven't gone yet. But we're not actually going. He's speechless, guys. He's sitting there. He doesn't know if I'm messing with him. He's like, Dylan wouldn't do this, but at the same time, he probably would. Or are we going to Abu Dhabi? Or are we actually going to Oman? I'm not sure.
So what I think needs to happen is one of the people watching this video needs to apply to come on your adventures with you, because this...
That'd be fun.
No, because I don't want to keep doing this. Every single time you tell me we're going somewhere, it's either a misdirection, it's just not real. So I think we need to...
Yeah.
I'm going to retire. That's what's going to happen. This video is about me retiring, and we're looking for a replacement now.
Retires. Well, it's because this morning you woke up and you're like, Dylan, today is the day I want to work. I'm tired of having to go out all the time. I'm just going to sit down and work. And I looked at you and you looked so bored. So I just bought his plane ticket for both of us. So,
okay, so you're saying is we were going to go to Abu Dhabi, but now we're not.
Yeah, because, I wanted to distract you. Because you were sitting there working. You don't want to be disturbed. So I wanted to make you think, we're just going for a quick day trip to Abu Dhabi. That's not too bad. We'll just go there, we'll come back, and then finally I can just sit back down and work. But instead we're going to be leaving for, I'm not going to tell you the amount of days. We're going to be going for more than
Dylan, I have no clothes. Why are you doing this to me? I have a passport, and I have my wallet, and I have a phone. That's basically what I have.
Well, I need to ask you this.
I'm not even wearing clothes right now.
Will the hotel room that you have a sink? The obvious answer is yes. If it has a sink, does it have water and soap?
No.
Well, it will, because we're staying in a pretty nice hotel. So it's going to have water, it's going to have soap. You just take the clothes off that you've got on, hand wash it, put it in the shower, you're good.
But it takes hours and hours for clothes to dry, so then I'm going to...
At least I'll have some alone time. I won't have to worry about... I'll just be able to sit there, listen to my noise-canceling headphones, listening to Scarlord, my favorite artist. Just listen to that, get some work done, go for a nice, peaceful walk, enjoy a cigar, go get some lunch, get some dinner. And after my day's finished, then you'll be, hey, okay, Dylan, I'm ready. And too late, I'm going to bed now.
I'm still convinced that we're not actually doing whatever nonsense you're talking about. So we're going to have to show the audience if you're, being serious or not, because...
I'm always serious.
No,
I'm always serious.
Okay, let's just take a look and see what's going on.
So
outside.
this is actually the original pyramid. Egypt.
Where?
Egypt isn't for real.
Where
they
is
don't have the actual pyramid. Okay, so we just landed in Oman. I hopped in the shower. Here we are. The flight was super short. I literally was sitting down. Me and Colson got to talking. And I started looking over some of the updates from earlier today from the team. And then the next thing I heard, prepare for landing, in a very Arabic voice. Obviously, I'm not going to try to replicate that. But 15 minutes. It was like we're done. We're landing. It was like an hour and 10 minutes, but the flight went by like that. My favorite thing about this hotel room, though, take a look at that desk. That is a working businessman's desk. But enough talking. Let's go out and explore. Okay, Colston, what would you rate Oman? We've been here overnight. What would you rate Oman so far?
The best of the best is 11 out of 10.
And also, I'm going to let the viewers know that you told me last night you're no longer smoking shisha, you're no longer smoking cigars. Now, you converted to Zenism. So we got this. This is your first gift for the day. The second gift is you're now money bag man. This is your new job, to carry the money bag. It's got cash, it's got passports, it's got Zen, it's got everything you need.
Well, so who are you then? What does this mean? You shed your skin. What does this mean?
I'm Enigma. I'm going to shave my beard and go be a monk. That's actually why I brought you here, is I wanted to give you the money bag. Now you have to be in charge of the real world, social media campus. You have to run this channel, and I'm just going to live here in Oman, stay in this luxurious hotel.
So Dylan's retiring.
I'm retiring.
Dylan's retiring.
I've been in the game for so long, now it's time for me to retire. So we've got 6 minutes, as you can see right here. By the way, guys, fun fact about Oman, Uber is not allowed. You need to download, I don't even know how to pronounce this. It's like O-Taxi. So download that if you come to Oman. We went to do Uber, doesn't exist. Tried another app, doesn't exist. Download this. So 6 minutes until I retire, and we'll show the viewers. We'll show the viewers, this will be my main residence. But we're going to be going to my secondary residence where I'll go to realign my chakras.
I have to say that this is a very nice choice for retirement. And I don't know if they can hear the fountain in the background, but it's very peaceful.
It is very peaceful.
And it looks very new. It's very clean. Mm-hmm. It's
Also, I do need to add something in for the viewers. So we're trying to find Colston wife. I already have a wife. We're going to have just a massive family. We're going to have a big family compound. So I've lined up 2 dates for you, Colston.
No, but you haven't.
But I have.
But you haven't.
I've lined up 2 dates for you since last night, lined them up so we can find your wife. I already have a wife. Everybody on the team needs to have a wife. We're normalizing having a beautiful wife and giant family. So I've actually got the 2 dates there. Oh, wow, they just came. There they are right there. There are your 2 dates.
Wait a second, where are they? I don't see.
Right there on the table.
Well, guys, just for context, there's nobody around me right now.
There are.
There's not.
Show the viewers right now. The 2
Where,
dates
Dylan? Show them. Point to.
Be beautiful.
Point to them.
Your wife right there. You can pick one.
So guys, I don't know if you know, but in the Middle East, they like to eat dates. And these are dates. Look, 1 date, 2 dates. So apparently, these are my girlfriends now.
They're your
my wives. I'm sorry, my wives. Yes. I will not disrespect them. They're my wives.
You got 2 dates lined up. Now you have to find a wife. So we brought you here so that you can find a wife. And I'm going to retire. That's the whole purpose of the episode.
I can't believe actually, okay, sorry. I'm not going to complain. I'm grateful.
Okay, so cards arrived. Are you ready to go?
So guys, this is actually a big moment that you have to understand. Dylan's retiring, guys. So just let me know in the comments below how long Dylan will stay in retirement, because I think he has this unending itch that he constantly has to work.
No,
and
not at all.
Yeah,
not at all.
Guys, let me know in the comments below how long until he comes out of retirement, because I guarantee.
I'm done. Colston, you have to realize in less than 3 or 4 days from now, I'm going to be turning 55. It is time for me to retire.
Guys, he's not turning 55.
I am. I'm turning 55 years old. Look at my birthday. You can look at my birthday. I
Go to celebritybirthdays.com.
Okay, let's go. Yeah, just let's go. Going. Yes, please. Yes, my new home. I'm moving there.
Can sir, I stop to buy water for you?
Oh, perfect. This is good. Thank you. Oman Oasis. Best of the best.
I forgot to buy water. That's why. Place Matra soup.
Matra soup.
Yes.
Okay.
Soup means market, cold market like.
Okay.
So now I will show you the market. Already you are here, so please you need to visit the
Yeah.
place. Yeah. Even night time it's very beautiful. So. see this one, like gate here with the stair.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah, that one the gate to go inside the market.
Okay.
Yeah. See here the market. Yeah,
Oh,
it's-
well.
yeah, you need to go from here.
Yeah. We'll check that out.
And now we will show you some museums near the place where you go now. There is museum.
Okay.
You can walk on it, Michael.
Let's see. It's so beautiful.
Yeah. You know, Oman it's hot.
Yeah.
Hot really. During summer, oh my God.
Yeah, we live in Dubai. It gets very hot.
In Dubai.
Yeah.
You want me to stop to take picture? No problem.
No need.
No?
Oh man, this is cool.
If you want, it's okay. You smoke shisha?
Oh yeah.
Really?
Yes, last night. Yes. Is there? Do you?
Museum here. This one.
Okay.
Yes.
Perfect.
What do you think? You will go?
Let's see how this
I will message you in WhatsApp, huh? If
Yes,
you need
yeah,
anything,
definitely.
please message me. And even my house also near, not so far from.
Oh, really? Perfect.
Come visit me in my house.
Okay.
Yeah, really. I will let my mom cook Omani food.
Oh, that'd be awesome. So traditional Omani food.
Yes.
Yeah.
How many days you are staying here?
Tomorrow, then we leave next day.
Oh,
Yeah. Very quick trip.
very quick.
Yeah, we'll definitely be coming back though. This is awesome.
Yeah. You see, sir, this fort. You can go inside.
Yeah.
Yes. It's near the market, so not so far.
Okay.
There is a stair. You see the stair?
Okay, so now that I got my hat, Colston, we're gonna walk up those stairs, check out my new house. Are you ready? Come on, let's go. Stair stepper.